How to turn off friends streak on Duolingo. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Duolingo application on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and now go ahead and tap on the three dots on the bottom right of your screen. Further, tap on the profile option. You will then be led to your profile page. Now tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Here, under the account tab, tap on the preferences option. You will further see the option for friend streaks under the lesson experience tab. Go ahead and toggle off the friend streak toggle button, and with this, your friend streak will be disabled. So, this is how you can turn off friend streak on Duolingo. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.